Hello and welcome to the Reboot Challenge. This is week 3. So in week 3 we're focused on happy food. So we have in week 1 focused on a happy mind, in week 2 a happy mind that's connected to a happy body, and now in week 3 a happy mind is connected to a happy body when we're nourishing it with happy foods. So I believe that every meal is an opportunity for us to renew, and the power of food is so critical in terms of getting us back on track, to reboot, and also just to live our daily lives and to be our best selves. So learn this week all about how the power of food. I talk about why and when we should ramp up our nutrients. So when we should eat the recommended daily intake as opposed to much more. And it really depends whether you are in a maintenance program or if you're in need of repairs. So I go into that. I share with you some research and some of the doctors that have inspired me, that have been on their own health journey, that have a lot of research and statistics that really show the power of nutrition and what we can do to repair ourselves. So this week's blog, I thought I would focus on what to increase, what to decrease, some snapshots and tips on, what do I eat? What can I focus on to make sure I've got optimal gut health, which is going to make you really positive in your mind, strong in your body. And then, of course, some more tips to add in our Reboot Challenge. So jump on the blog and you will see that I'm going to give you, I'll share it with you now. So if you can master 5 salads, 5 sides, 5 sauces, 5 proteins, and you put all of them into a folder, all of your favorite ones, you now have 625 recipes at home because you mix and match. And that's a great trick to make cooking really easy and friendly, to cook for the whole family. And tip 2, you're going to really try and prioritize cooking your meals, and you're going to cook all of your meals for the week on a Sunday. And the other thing we're adding is you're going to really mindfully add green leafy vegetables and deeply coloured fruits and vegetables into your lunches and dinners and breakfasts as well. You're going to reduce alcohol to 2 days a week, or if not completely. And they are the tips I want you to focus on and into the Reboot Challenge for the nutrition segment. So I hope you enjoy this week's blog. We're adding lots of new routines so that by the end of the 5 weeks, you're going to be a fully integrated, very happy human being. So we're in this together. See you next week.